This 2019 Venture RV Sonic SN231VRL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.